To view your downline reports, log into your virtual office and click on Member Info on the left-hand side. Now scroll down until you see Downline Reports. You'll have a number of reports that you can view here. First, let's take a look at the Tree View report. Click on the Tree View report and you'll have options to look at various distributors in your downline. For example, the first person on your left leg in this instance is Test Welcome Letter. To navigate through your tree, first select a side that you would like to view. Click Go to Bottom Left, and that will show every distributor on your outside left leg, starting with the bottom, Test R29 account. From there, you can navigate up. The next account up is Test USA 28. Clicking each account will show you specific information about that account. On the left-hand side, it will give you the enrollment date, how many people are on the left side, how much team volume they have generated on the left side, and also the total volume. On the right-hand side, you have the auto ship status giving you how much product they are ordering in their order and if they are active or qualified. It also gives you the right leg volume. At the bottom, it will give you the sponsor's information, such as their account information and email address. Here on the right, it tells you the phone number to reach that sponsor, and it lets you know if they have been personally enrolled. At the bottom of the screen is a legend that will tell you what rank a specific distributor is. Looking at the color brown, you see that the rank is distributor. Right below that, you view Star 500, and so on. An important thing to notice is if someone is personally enrolled. On the right-hand side, we have a legend that shows a shadow, which means they are personally enrolled. The small box above that shows that they are on AutoShip. To search for a specific distributor, you can simply either search for their name, their ID number, first or last name, or company name. Let's find Testing, which ID number is 459696. We find Testing on the left side, 6th level. To go back to the downline reports, click on another report you would like to view. Now, let's run a personal volume report. To run a personal volume report, it will first ask you to select the dates you want to view the volume for. In this instance, the date January 9th, 2010 has already been selected through January 12th, 2010. On the left-hand side, it will tell you how many levels you can see. We will select all levels. Also, you can request to view certain amounts of volume on either side of your tree. You can choose the left leg, right leg, or the personally sponsored distributors. At this time, we will select both legs. After doing so, click Run Report. After the report is finished, it shows all the volume that has been generated on your tree. On the left leg, at this time, 80 points have been generated. On the right leg, 0 points have been generated. Below is a list of all the distributors on your left and right legs who have placed orders or who have not placed orders. Now let's view the snapshot report. To view your snapshot report, first select the weeks you want shown. Let's select week number 2 of this year. After selecting the chosen time frame you would like to view, click Run Report. The My Snapshot report gives you the last 4 weeks' commissionable volume. First, let's start off with week 259 for the date starting 12/12/09 through 12/18/09. This tells you your achieved rank, your projected paid as rank, as well as any other volume you have. It also tells you the following 4 weeks after that. Below that, we have this week's activity, which tells you any volume that has been generated for that particular week. Here we can see that for week 259, the total volume that was generated was 105 points. Below that, we have Next Pay Period Summary, which tells you the personal volume you ended with for a particular week. Again, it tells you that the left leg ended with a volume of 105 points, the right leg ended with 873 points for that particular week. After you're done, if you want to run a new report or print, you have the options on the left and right side. Next, let's run a drill downline view report. The drill downline report tells you the first level down distributors that are in your tree. Here is the list that you can scroll through. At the bottom, we have a legend that tells you if they are currently enrolled in AutoShip, if they have a current order within the last 4 weeks, or even distributors that have been recently enrolled. To the right, we have the contact information for each of the enrolled distributors. NPS means that they are not personally sponsored. Next, let's look at the AutoShip status report. Under the AutoShip status report, you can find all the distributors in your downline that have a specific amount of product purchased in their AutoShip order. We can search for anyone who has AutoShip with a certain amount of money in their AutoShip order. At this time, we'll look for distributors who have an AutoShip with more than $130. Click Greater Than and change the dollar amount to $130. We'll leave the Sort By on Distributor Number and Descending. Then click Run Report. Running the AutoShip status report will tell you all distributors that have met your requirements. By scrolling down, you'll be able to view any distributor who has AutoShip retention within your guidelines. By scrolling down, you can either print a report or run a new report. Next, let's run a Flash Tree View report. After pulling up the Flash Tree View count, you can isolate any particular distributor you're looking for. On the top right-hand side, you have that option. If you would like to find all the active distributors, you can simply click on the plus sign and it will single out all the active distributors. You can locate them by their colored icons. Also, if you would like to find any distributors on AutoShip, you can click that as well. This shows you all the distributors who are active and on AutoShip. Here we have 2 distributors. The first one is Brooks Yates, and the next one is Australian Test. To remove specific guidelines for distributors you are looking for, click on the negative sign to the right. This will show you only the people you are looking for. If you're looking for personally enrolled distributors, click on the plus sign and that will show you distributors who are personally enrolled by you. Also, if you're looking for a particular distributor, use the search field. Enter their name, ID number or company name, and click on Search. Next, let's run a rank advancement report. This will ask you for which bonus period you want to learn your rank advancements. We'll leave the bonus period for week 263, and we'll run the report. This report shows you the rank advancements that anybody in your downline will be achieving. This particular report tells you the total rank advancement for the period of January 9th to January 15th, 2010. There are no rank advancements. To run a new report, find the report that you want to run on the left-hand. The next report that we will run is the New Distributors Report. Select the date that you would like to view for these new distributors. In this instance, select the date of October 31st to start and January 1st to end. Then run the report. This report will tell you anybody that has been personally enrolled onto your account by indicating a star next to their name, like Test France. Otherwise, all these other distributors have been enrolled. However, they are not personally sponsored. You can simply go through the entire list to verify anybody who has been personally enrolled, or by verifying other distributors that have been enrolled in your tree. Also, at the very bottom, you can either print the report or run a new report.